The time is currently 9:48. I thought I'd have like a sit down and talk with you guys this morning, but I actually have to leave my house at 10, so I won't be able to talk too much. Basically what's happening today is my friend and I are going to this library that is apparently also a museum. We're gonna do some work there. I usually just spend my half term kind of like procrastinating, but I actually do have work to do, so it'd be nice to like get my work out of the way right at the start. I'm kind of annoyed that I got up so late because I really did want to use this time to talk more with you guys, because I feel like I'm quite camera shy still. And also I have been showing this iPhone 7 in the video so far, and it's actually the phone that I filmed my first video on. And since right now it's a trend to like use old phones to take cute pictures and stuff, I thought I'd finally like do something with this phone, and I've added like a cute little wallpaper. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna take a lot of pictures with this. I just think it's so cute. But anyway, I have like 10 minutes to do my makeup, so I'm gonna hurry up and I'll see you guys when I'm changed. I'm literally running late, guys, but this is the OOTD. I actually think it's really cute. turn much, and I was a bit taken aback.